In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently export and print your customer list from QuickBooks using Google Chrome. Whether you're organizing your records or preparing for a meeting, following this simple process will help you manage your business contacts with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome is a popular browser choice for many users due to its speed and compatibility, making it an ideal option for accessing online tools like QuickBooks. So, in Chrome, navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com, where you'll need to log in with your account credentials. Ensure that you have your login information ready, as this will expedite the process. Once logged in, let's head to the Sales menu. On the left-hand side of your QuickBooks homepage, you'll find a menu. Here, you'll need to click on Sales. Selecting this will direct your focus toward the necessary section of your account involving customer data and transactions. Next, you'll see several tabs across the top of the page. Your target here is the Customers tab, so go ahead and click on it. Doing this will display your complete customer list, giving you a snapshot of everyone you do business with. Take a moment to review your customer list and ensure everything looks accurate. Now, let's proceed to the export process. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll find an icon resembling an arrow pointing down or something similar, usually labeled as the Export to Excel feature. Click on this to start downloading your customer list as an Excel file. This feature is incredibly useful for creating backups or sharing information quickly and efficiently. When prompted, save the downloaded file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it later, such as your desktop or a dedicated business folder. Saving the file correctly ensures that the next steps will be seamless. With the file safely stored, open it in Excel or any spreadsheet program you're comfortable with. Programs like Excel offer tools that can help you further customize and review your data if needed. Finally, to get a hard copy of your customer list, head to your spreadsheet program's print feature. This is typically found under the File menu at the top left, or you might use the quick print icons or shortcuts available. Confirming your print settings, such as page layout and paper size, will ensure that the printed list meets your needs accurately. And that's it. You've successfully exported and printed your customer list from QuickBooks using Chrome. Familiarizing yourself with these steps can significantly streamline your workflow and enhance record-keeping efficiency. Remember, maintaining a clear customer list is crucial for successful business operations and customer relations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.